tiny seeds turn into warm, fluffy bread? Well, come with me and let's follow the fun journey of tiny grains as they mix, squish, and bake their way into yummy bread. Bread begins with wheat. The wheat is ground into flour. Flour is mixed with water, yeast, and little salt to make dough. Yeast is a tiny helper that makes the dough rise by filling it with bubbles. The dough goes into a hot oven and bakes into bread with a crispy crust. So, bread starts as wheat, becomes dough, rises, bakes, and ends up delicious. Fun fact: yeast is alive. It eats sugar in the dough and makes tiny gas bubbles that help bread grow big and fluffy. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.